हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक। सनसेट आई होप आपने एंजॉय कर लिया है। आज हम टेस्ट करने वाले हैं स्किटल्स और M&M's, जो आप सब ने कहीं ना कहीं खाई होंगी। स्किटल्स 2 पैक्स टेस्ट करने वाले हैं हम आज। एक रेड जो ओरिजिनल है और दूसरा जो बेरीज वाला है। सो इट्स पर्पल फॉर द बेरीज और रेगुलर M&M's। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द रेगुलर स्किटल्स फर्स्ट। इसमें 5 फ्लेवर्स है: लेमन, ग्रेप, रास्पबेरी, ऑरेंज एंड ग्रीन एप्पल। निकाल लिए है। सो लेट्स ट्राई द लेमन फर्स्ट। Nice and citrus and lemon. Then next is the orange. It has a nice orangey vitamin C taste to it. Next, let's go to green apple. Green apple is not so impressive. So. The strawberry could have been better, but who am I to judge? And the last one is the grape raisin. It either could be the mix of flavors, or it's just that this flavor isn't really very strong. My best pick was the lemon, or maybe the orange. Next is the purple pack, which has again strawberry, wild cherry, berry punch, melon berry and raspberry. I've tried this before and my favorite is melon. Let's try again. So picked out all of these. Let's try them. First we'll try the raspberry. It tastes like an artificial raspberry. Next one is the strawberry. This strawberry is much better than the original strawberry. And it's light pink in color here. The red here is for cherry, wild cherry. This one's good. It's really fresh. And next, the berry punch. Quite good, and that's one of my favorite till now. Melon. So I think I'm going to change my favorite now. I think the wild cherry is my favorite in this collection. So lemon and wild cherry. Do let me know in the comments what's your favorite. And until I clear up this mess, then we'll go to the next one, the M&M. So what's the difference between an M&M and a Skittles? Skittles is pure sugar. M&M is having a peanut butter filling in it. So it's not just sugar. So you can see they're bigger, way bigger. So all these are just sugar coated. There's no flavoring to it. It doesn't matter what color it is. It's just peanut butter with chocolate and some sugar coating on it. I love peanut butter, so I can't choose, but I think it's totally dependent on my mood what I like to go for. Do let me know, what do you prefer, an M&M or a Skittles? And until I clear this mess up, this is your Tech Bahu signing.